we now go to live load. Okay, so clinic ko ito, na blue na yan ngayon, that means ito ang active na load case. And then, we go again to member load. Ito po. And then, you click uniform force sa W1. Ang lalagay natin ay negative 0.455. Ito po yung dead load. Live load. Sorry. Ito po yung live load. Now, you click add. So, nadagdag po siya sa live load. Next, we now click WL1. Dapat blue yan. And then, balik tayo sa member load again. And then, uniform force. And then, we click negative 1.749. Negative means it is acting downward. Ito po yung pressure na wind load. So, pinupush niya yung purlins pababa. Now, you click add. Next, punta naman tayo sa WL2. Oops. And then, kung nawala yun, you just click add. And then, go to member load. And then, you click uniform force. Dito naman sa W1, ang ating WL2 ay dalawa. So, meron tayong suction na 4.873. So, take note na positive na siya ngayon. At ang lalagay natin ay still global Y. And then, add. And then, another 2.926 na positive. Add. Again, this time, let's close. Meron tayong nakalimutan dito sa dead load. So, mag-add tayo dyan sa dead load ng self-weight. Okay. Always remember na laging self-weight ay nasa dead load. So, self-weight, direction is Y, and then factor is negative 1, meaning it is directed downwards. And then click add, then close. Next, so i-click na natin itong self-weight Y na negative 1, and then use assign to view. Meaning, lahat na nandyan sa view mo, malalagyan ng self-weight. So, dapat i-click nyo itong display whole structure para lalabas yung buong structure dito sa screen. So, let's click again self-weight, and then assign to view. And then, you click assign. Yes. So, mapansin natin na nawala na yung question mark kay self-weight. Next is, i-click naman natin ngayon si negative 3.87. And then, we will click use cursor to assign. Now, we click assign. So, as you move your mouse, your cursor, nag-iiba ang kanyang itsura. So, you now click over the mouse na lalagyan natin ng load. And then, punta na tayo ngayon sa live load. So, you click live load or you click escape. And then, click natin si live load. Ayan po. Tapos yung negative 455. And then, we will use cursor to assign again. Ganyan. So, mapansin natin na it is gravity load acting downwards. Next, we now go to WL1. WL1 is the same. It is acting over the entire length. It is downwards also. And then use cursor to assign again. And then punta na tayo sa WL2. Ito po yung suction. Ang ating WL2 merong 4.873. So, loloadan natin ngayon yung critical zone, yung 4.873. So, we will use cursor to assign again. Remember na ang ating critical zone ay 0.9, pero ang ating Purlin ay 2.25 meters. So, mas conservative na, i-apply na lang natin yung, consider natin yung entire length instead of 0.9. Okay, so I will just use cursor to assign here and dito sa dulo. So, mapansin nyo na siya ay acting upwards na, meaning ito ay suction. And then for the zone 1, dito natin siya i-apply sa loob. Next, let us press escape twice para ma-terminate yung assignment ng loads. And then, let us click STAAD editor dito po sa taas. I-just press cancel kasi para hindi siya makulit. O, save. Wala, save. And this is what the STAAD editor looks like. Gumagawa siya nag-generate siya ng text editor file ng lahat ng input na ginawa natin. So, ito yung joint coordinates. Ito yung ginawa ni STAAD. Ang ating structure ay plane. And then, our input width is 79. Ang ibig sabihin ng 79, yan yung number of characters per line na nire-recognize ni STAAD. So, how many characters? Hanggang dito, that is 79 characters. And then, our unit is meter kilonewton. Ito yung joint coordinates. So, joint 1 or node 1, you have coordinates 0, 0, 0. So, this is x, y, and z. And then this is node 2. Sa member incidences naman, this means yung first number mo, yan yung member number. And then yung second number, that refers to your start node. And then yung third number, that refers to your end node. Remember na yung start node, ang kulay niya ay green. Tapos yung end node, I think that is your blue. And then nag-assign tayo ng properties. So ang section property natin kanina ay table galing sa channel. So that is C4 by 5. And siya ay steel. So merong default setting si STAAD sa steel. So you have elasticity, Poisson's ratio, the density. Dito magre-refer yung self-weight. And then alpha, and then the damping coefficient. And then we now go to constants. So ibig sabihin nito, nag-assign siya ng properties sa lahat ng members. So inassign niya ng steel. And then ito yung supports. So node 1 is pinned, node 2 hanggang 7. Ito yung roller support. Pwede nating lagyan ng remarks dito sa editor. So you just place here, let's say enter, and then asterisk. So that means yan ay comment or remark. Hindi yan i-consider ni STAAD na command. So ilalagay natin dito ay roller support. Next, we have here our load cases na ginawa natin kanina. Remember na yung number 1, that is dead. Number 2 is live. Number 3 is wind load 1, or that is the pressure. And then load 4, yan yung wind load 2, or that is the suction. Dito, pwede rin nating lagyan ng remarks. So from here, asterisk, ang lalagay natin dito ay windward pressure. And then dito sa load 4, lagyan natin siya ng remark na leeward suction. Yan po siya. And then, you will notice na sa bandang huli, after load 4, you have here the word finish. Now, let us save. And then, exit. Pag walang lumabas na error, meaning, okay siya. Dito sa editor, dun sa last line, so after load combination 9, maglalagay tayo ng enter dyan. So we just type here load com space 10 space, and then you type the title 1.2 dead plus 0.5 L plus WL2. Okay, and then you press enter. Yung first number na itatype natin, that refers to your load case number. So ang load case number ng dead ay 1, followed by its load factor na 1.2. Tapos space, ang ating load case naman for live is 2, then space, and then the load factor 0.5 space, and then WL2 is load case number 4, and then space 1.0. Notice na yung mga may decimal, yan yung mga load factors. Tapos yung full number, yan yung mga load cases. So 1 is dead with a load factor of 1.2. 2 means yung live with a load factor of 0.5. And then 4 is with load 2 with a load factor of 1, which is basically this load combination 10. Then you press enter. We now do load combination 11. Okay, space, and then 0.9D plus WL1. Enter. So 1, 0.9 space 3 space 1.0. Now let us do load combination 11. So I will just copy this, another shortcut, and then paste it here. Palitan mo lang ngayon yan ng 12, and then palitan mo yan ng WL2, and then yung 3 palitan mo to ng 4. And finally, para sa load combination 13, we have D plus L. So that is 1 space 1.0 to 1.0. Etong load combination 13, lalagyan ko ng remark. This is for deflection check. Okay. And then we will save. And then close. Kung wala siyang error, like so, that means it is okay. Next step after the loads is magche-check na tayo ng deflection. So dito sa analysis print, click mo yan. And then dito sa perform analysis tab, you click no print, and then add, and then close. Tapos dito tayo sa analyze, you click that, and then run analysis, and then save. Dapat 0 errors, 0 warnings, 0 notes. Ibig sabihin, okay siya. Now you click done. And then we go to tools, dimension beams, tools, dimension beams, and then display. Yan, nakatick si display. And then you click display. And then you click close. So lalabas yung kanyang mga dimensions. And then let's now go to here. So ang ating active load, piliin lang natin si dead load D plus L or load combination 13. Okay? And then click deflection. Ito ang kulay green na button. Tapos mapapansin nyo medyo naging kulay red. Now to increase the deflection figure, you just press Control and then scroll up, scroll down. And then palitan natin yung view from positive Z. So yan ang deflection due to dead and light. Pwede rin nating makita yung mga ibang deflections due to other load cases and load combinations. Okay, so ito naman yung load case na may suction, or that is your wind load 2. So ang ating dapat na check-in yung service. So that is DNL. Ngayon, alamin natin kung ano ang kanyang value. Next, so we do that by you now click post-processing. Dito sa post-processing. Then you click OK. Tapos dito tayo sa results. And then you click view value. Tapos you click beam results. And then dito tayo sa displacement. You click maximum results and then annotate. Then close. Yun. So mapapansin nyo na dito ay maximum 0.465. Yan ang ating critical displacement. Another method of knowing the deflection is you double click the beam. Okay, so before doing that, i-off muna natin yung ating view value. So sa results, view value and then beam results, just uncheck that. Then annotate close. So let us double click the beam with maximum deflection. Okay, double click. And then, ang ating selection type, and then click the beam with, double click the beam with maximum deflection, which is this, and then you click the deflection tab. Tapos sa selection type dito, i-click nyo si number 13, si D plus L. And then sa Y direction, that is global deflection. Nakatick si global deflection and then Y direction. So mapapansin mo na lumalabas dito ay 0.479. Then you can also move this. Mapapansin nyo na nag-iiba yan. So, at this distance, this is 1.519. Ito yung kanyang deflection. So, at this distance, 0.981, its deflection is 0.471. Now, let us close.